All right. Today we're going to get into something controversial. As a topic. And I want to talk about controversial topics and how you can use controversy to sell t-shirts. This is for all you guys who are in the niche category, not the brand category. All right. For you guys who are trying to make some money online selling tees. Okay. So, there is something going around because there's a whole bunch of things going on in the United States of America, mass shootings and just a whole lot of just craziness, right? And the topic of gun control is a huge topic, all right? And what makes it real ripe for the picking is how absolutely polarizing it is and how passionate people are on both sides. Okay. Let me just give you a rule of thumb for the t-shirt business. Where there's passion, there's profits. Remember that. Where there's passion, there's profits. Okay. I call it the passion profit principle. Okay. So gun rights and gun control. There are people who are for gun rights, everybody walking around with a M16 on their hip, and there are people who are anti. Now me, I'm on the side of what makes money. So I will put out t-shirts in both. You understand what I'm saying? But if you are partial to one or the other, I'm going to show you what's popping out here in these streets, and then we're going to go create a t-shirt, shall we? So right here, I'm in Google, and you can see right here, these are pro-gun control, pro-gun rights people, okay? And right here, you're going to see that this is the gun control people. There are tons of t-shirts on both sides, okay? So let's go over here, and I'm just going to go through a few. Okay, you got this one. I don't want to say the word, but F gun control. You got the American flag and a looks like an assault rifle. Newton Norris, both of those guys are like gun rights advocates. Huckleberry, I'm your, we got an eagle and some, two looks like 9mm or whatever they are here. If you look, you can go around. You can see Second Amendment. Since 1789, you're going to see that people are very passionate about their guns here in America. Okay? America is one of the few countries that you can actually have a gun left on this planet called Earth. All right? So now let's take it to the other side. All right? Okay. So over here, you have gun control shirts. All right? Gun control. So you can see right here, let's dump Trump, deport video games, make it stop right here. I care enough about my kids to control guns now. Protect the children, not guns. Books, not bullets. Ban this thing, with this, ban thing on assault rifles. Protect guns, protect kids, not guns. Okay. Actually, guns do kill people. You see what I'm saying? People are against guns. People are pro guns. All right. You can make money. Let's protect our children. You see this, right? You can go out here and you can make some money. So I'm going to right now, I flipped the coin. All right. I'm not going to tell you what I'm pro, con, in the middle, whatever. But I flipped the coin and actually Second Amendment won. All right. So let's show you how you can make a Second Amendment shirt. Apologize to all the people who are anti-gun. This is business, and this is just to show you about designing and how if you want to do this, you can do it this way. Okay. So let's go. Okay. So we are in design crowd. All right. And here it goes. You go to get started. t-shirt design, or whatever, which one of these bad boys you want to choose. But right here, we're going to do t-shirt design because this is T-shirt Help Desk. And you name your project, and we're simply going to name this one Second Amendment T-shirt design. All right. So for description, I'm just going to write, please see design brief. All right. No need to write everything out. I've already put everything in the design brief. So upload files. So I'm going to upload the files. I'm going to upload that design brief. And there's a font I want to use. So I'm going to upload that too. It's called A Love of Thunder. Choose. Continue. And right here is where we choose. I'm just going to choose right here, 6+. Look, guys, it takes money to make money. All right. And I'm going to add the express turnaround and continue. And this is where you go in and you do your payment, and then we're going to wait a few days and we're going to see what we get. Let's make some magic happen. All right. I'll see you guys in a few days. And we are back. So let's get into this. Okay. So let's go to my account. We're going to go to my projects and we're going to Second Amendment. We got 12 designs. All right. Manage project. 12 designs. And let's see what we have here. Okay, all right. So let's go right here. Let's click on this one, and we're gonna go through the right to bear arms. Okay, cool. Let's go to the next one. You did this version of it. Right to bear arms. You just got it right there. Boom, right in your face. Here we go. See, I told them to make the turn the gun into stripes, and everyone is doing their own version of it. So I really like this. So what I want you guys to do, for those, and I hope this is not too offensive to some, but I want, there's going to be a poll down in the description box. Okay, look at this one. It's just slowly morphing into it. A lot of these guys are, they're using their own creative license with this. Right to bear arms. Go down. There's going to be a poll in the description box and choose which one you like, if you even want to vote on something like this. I know this is a very controversial subject. Okay, here we go. They turned the entire guns into stripes. All right. It's another version of it. Okay. These guys are, they've been really creative over here. I like the fact that they put it on these templates too. Okay, so, and here we go right here too. This one is kind of hard to see the gun, but it's there. So now here, guy added a little color. This one did it like that. Kind of did it like the other guy. Could be the same person. All right. And I believe that we saw this one before, so I think that could be it. So guys, this is to let you know, controversial subjects, although they're very polarizing, this is where you could potentially make money, because people are really, really into what they're into, and they want to show the world that this is what they're about. Okay. Passion. Okay. Passion translates to profits in the t-shirt industry, especially when you're doing niche or niche tees. Okay, so guys, if you like this, make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. Make sure that when you subscribe, you click that notification bell so you'll be notified of all these awesome videos about the t-shirt industry. Remember, do something good for somebody. If you don't have anyone to do something good for, always do something good for yourself. Cheers to your t-shirts. Got nothing but love for you. God bless. And remember, start a t-shirt business or die trying. Until next time, peace.